associated with art. Once mistaken for its complexity, art, she had an accident in farming a decade ago that left her disabled. At the age of 39, she faced two options. She could sit at home on the government subsidies she was entitled to because of her disability, or she could try to explore another career. Tangjie chose the latter. In 2008, Ba Songchun, a traditional painter, established a weaving cooperative in the town to keep alive unique hand-weaving craft and intangible cultural heritage developed, as well as nurture new artisans in creative jobs. At first, Tangjie worked there making